Hello viewers, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to hide TikTok following list. So first of all, open TikTok account. Now I'm showing a very simple method, so follow my all process carefully. Tap onto profile icon. Click on three line at the top right bottom corner. Go to settings and privacy. Second option, privacy. Scroll down. Now shown here to following list option. Tap on and customize only me. Okay, now done. So that's how we can easily hide TikTok following list. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debug channel for more video.